Before we make Chinese food at home, we're going to have to get some essential ingredients that might be hard to get at your local grocery store. If you have an Asian market like an H Mart in the neighborhood, everything that I talk about will be there and easy to find. If you don't have a market in your area or you don't want to head out to the store, I'm going to put affiliated links in the description below. If you click on them and buy them, that's great. Get a little kickback. I can make some more Chinese food. But don't worry, it's not as expensive as you think. And once you have the ingredients, you're going to be able to make dish after dish after dish. So let's get started. The number one most important ingredient that you're going to need is soy sauce. But not the soy sauce that you find at the grocery store. All that kikkoman stuff, that's all Japanese soy sauce. It's great for sushi, terrible for cooking Chinese food. What you're gonna want is light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Light soy sauce does not mean low sodium. Totally different thing. Light soy sauce is a seasoning soy sauce and it's used for brown and white sauces. Dark soy sauce adds depth and color and sweetness to your brown sauces. Next thing you're gonna need is oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is sweet and it adds that umami flavor that makes Chinese food taste like Chinese food. Shaoxing wine. This stuff is essential for velveting chicken and meat and making sauces. Chicken stock and beef stock. These are gonna be your basis for your white sauce and your brown sauce. MSG. I said it. MSG. You can use it. It's safe. At least I think so. The reason that I like MSG is it's a flavor enhancer, and when you use that, that means you have to use less salt. So if you use some MSG, you lower the sodium content of your food. Do the research for yourself. If you're comfortable, use it. If you're not, leave it out. Baking soda. That stuff is the secret to velveting meat and sometimes chicken. Garlic, ginger, essential for brown sauces. Scallions are also great. Broccoli, baby bok choy, snow peas, that's what we're gonna use in our white and brown sauces, and they're a great starter for stir frying. Boneless skinless chicken breast, obviously that's what you're gonna need for the chicken. As far as steak goes, you're in luck. We get the lower priced meats. We get flank steak or flat iron steak. That's what you're gonna velvet, that's what you're gonna make for your beef and broccoli. Mwah! Rice. Chinese food uses white rice as a blank canvas. It's not supposed to be seasoned or sweet or anything like that. It's supposed to be perfect and fluffy and absorb all the flavors of the brown and the white sauce that you've spent so much time preparing. So you can't use jasmine rice. You can't use cheap rice. You can't use weird rice. What I recommend is Cocoa Rose rice. You're not going to be able to find it at your local grocery store, but you can find it online and you can find it in the Asian grocery. If this was all too much for you, don't worry about it. There's a shopping list in the description below. Check it out. Check out the links. Fill up your pantry and then meet me back here to velvet some chicken.